This is the Insta360 X3.
And we're here in the iconic Battersea Power Station to give one of the effects a go.
Yeah, we're going to check out one of the cool effects in ShotLab. The, what's it called?
Moving statue?
The walking statue?
Statue what?
The stop motion statue.
Stop motion statue. Am I going to be the model on this one?
You're going to be the model on this one.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. So first of all, we're going to mount the X3 to the Invisible Selfie Stick. Next, we're going to fully extend the Invisible Selfie Stick. We're going to hit record. And we're going to hold the X3 out in front and take steps forward, bringing our feet together like this. Now, while George is doing that, if you're finding this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our other videos. We're going to record ourselves walking along like this for 3 minutes. Once we've finished, we're going to stop recording and we're going to jump into the Insta360 app. Inside the app, we're going to tap Stories and scroll down to Stop Motion Statue. We're going to select that and tap Use This Theme. Next, we're going to select the clip we just recorded. And then it's going to ask us to long press on the subject so it knows who to track. And then the app's going to do its thing and create the effect. And while it's doing that, if you want to pick up an X3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one at a fantastic price with super fast delivery. And if you buy using our link, you get the Invisible Selfie Stick free. Okay, once the app's done its thing, it's going to give you a preview. And you can also change the effect using the 2 sliders. The top one changes the field of view, giving you a wider angle, and the bottom one changes the position of the subject up and down like this. Okay, once you're happy, go up to the export in the top right, tap that and tap export, and that'll export to your phone album. And the end result looks like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.